In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a background on Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Whether you're sprucing up your website for a fresh look or need a change to reflect your brand's evolving style, changing the background on your Squarespace site is a simple process that can have a big impact on your site's visual appeal. Let's walk through the steps together. First things first, head over to the Squarespace website. This is where you'll start the process of giving your website that brand new look. On reaching the Squarespace homepage, you'll notice a Login button. Clicking this is your first step into the customization zone of your website. It's here where your journey to personalize your site begins. After hitting Login, you'll be prompted to continue with various sign-in methods. For ease and convenience, we recommend clicking on Continue with Google. This option allows you to link your Squarespace site with your Google account, streamlining your login process and making it quicker for future visits. Once you've selected to continue with Google, you'll be presented with a list of accounts. Click on the account associated with your Squarespace website. This step ensures that any changes you're about to make are applied to the correct site, especially useful if you manage multiple sites or accounts. After successfully logging in, your next move is to click on your website from the dashboard. This dashboard acts as the control room for your Squarespace site, offering access to all the customization tools you need to adjust your site's look and feel. Now for the real magic, navigate to the Assets section of your site. This is where Squarespace stores all the media you can use to customize your website, including images which are crucial for changing your site's background. If you're following along, clicking on the provided link will take you directly there. Within the Assets section, you'll find the option to highlight specific images or media files. This feature is particularly helpful for quickly spotting the images you're considering for your new background. Feel free to browse through your media library and highlight any potential candidates. Once you've found an image that you believe will make the perfect background, it's time to get a closer look. Double-click on this image. Doing so will enlarge the image, giving you a better view and allowing you to assess whether it truly fits your site's theme and aesthetic. Happy with your choice? Great. The next step is to save this image, setting the stage for it to become your new background. Right. Click on the image and select Save Image. This action downloads the image to your local device, making it accessible for the upcoming steps where you'll officially set it as your website's background. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated Squarespace to find and save the perfect image for your website's new background. Remember, visual appeal is a significant factor in website design. It can influence how visitors perceive your brand and how long they stay on your site. Therefore, selecting the right background is not just about aesthetics, but also about making a strategic decision that enhances user experience. Now, with your image saved, you're all set to head back to your site's design settings where you can upload this image as your new background. This change can breathe new life into your website, keeping it fresh and engaging for all your visitors. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Remember to consider the loading time of your background image. High-resolution images look fantastic, but can slow down your site. Optimize your image for the web to ensure your site remains both beautiful and fast. By following these easy steps, your Squarespace site will have a new background in no time, enhancing its look and possibly improving visitor engagement. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a business owner looking to revamp your online presence, Squarespace makes it easy to personalize and enhance your website's design. Thank you for joining me today. Experiment with different images until you find the perfect background that represents your brand. And remember, your website is often the first impression potential customers have of your business, so make it count. Until next time, happy designing.